Welcome to 995 Yarrow Lane. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front porch, master bedroom balcony, modern interior, as well as 1-car rear entry garage with workspace and fenced yard. It's located in the Rabons Farm subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, Sandhills Shopping, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So you can see we're here on a corner lot. These homes have the driveway and garage entry in the rear and have more of a Charleston-style setup in the front. So this one takes up the front to the back of the lot space. So you have a covered front porch out here. Room for some seating. And then when you step inside, a nice modern bright interior. You enter into a small foyer area. You have a luxury vinyl tile throughout the main floor of the home. There's a closet off the entry, a coat closet on the left side here, or straight ahead sort of as you enter. And then you have a window in that entryway as well. You have crown molding downstairs and some nice high wainscoting, as you can see along the walls there. Nice ceiling detailing as well around the recessed lights. So there's a living room sort of open to the dining area and bar counter where the kitchen is. Access to the second level is there. So you have a nice size window on this side looking out over the porch as well. And in the kitchen itself, as you can see, you have a bar counter here, granite countertops, sort of a light gray cabinet, subway tile backsplash, as well as a pantry and included stainless steel appliances. There's a above-range microwave, smooth top electric stove. You have a dishwasher and a French door refrigerator back in the corner. Then you also have a pantry back here as well. And again, the recessed lighting, you also have some built-in speakers. And there should be hookups for those in the kitchen as well. Small space off of the kitchen with some wainscoting. You have a nice beadboard on the ceiling and some windows. This accesses the backyard, so this could be used for a number of purposes. Mudroom as it is off the garage, or you also could just use it for some storage, possibly a small dining area or breakfast nook. Any number of purposes for that. Then you have some privacy fenced yard space out here that runs along the right side of the home. And then opposite that door to outside, you have access to the 1-car garage, which is a nice size. There's a vehicle parked inside for scale. As you can see right now, it's a smaller mid-sized SUV. So the garage itself on this side, and then you also have some built-in workspace over here. So there's a workbench and also some cabinets. This door also accesses the rear of the property. So you can see back here you have your rear entry driveway, so 2-car wide driveway on the back end, and then there's sort of a small access road that runs in between the blocks to be able to get to that. So we'll come back through and reverse our way back through the garage and into the kitchen and living room. Before we finish this level, we'll show you through this door. Nice half bathroom or guest bath. Have some nice lighting in there. And then some nice that shiplap paneling on the wall. The floor continues into there as well. So you have a pedestal sink and a commode in there. And then some carpeting starts here on the second level. Apologize for the light. I believe one is out up here. But off of the landing up here, you have a laundry room. As of the time of this video, the washer and dryer you see are included in the unit. Then on this side, you have your master suite. You have a ceiling fan in here. Crown molding does continue up here also. You have a nice sized walk-in closet with a window, and then access to the small balcony out here as well. Sort of matches the size of the porch, but plenty of space for nice table and chairs out there. And then you have a full bathroom, granite countertops, double sinks. You have a garden tub and shower, as well as private commode. You have chair row molding in there, and a window. And then 2 additional bedrooms. On this level, they share a Jack and Jill bathroom, a full bath in between. So this is one of those 2 secondary bedrooms. Then you have a closet, as you can see, on this side. And the bathroom, as it connects through, has a single vanity with a granite countertop, a shower and tub against the wall there. And behind the door, you have a linen closet. And then another door off of the 3rd bedroom to access it. And it also has a door from the hallway. And the closet is roughly the same size as the one we saw in the 2nd bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home, 995 Yarrow Lane in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information on this home by visiting online at turnerproperties.com.